Have you ever wondered why Jesus, immediately after his baptism, after the Father sends the Spirit and he's empowered to do ministry, he doesn't go to a big city, he doesn't go to crowds, he doesn't start teaching, he doesn't start healing, start preaching. He first goes to a desert by himself, a place of suffering, a place of silence, a place of isolation, even a place of danger. St. Mark says that Jesus is among wild beasts. We know that he's tempted by the devil. See, he really is like us in all things but sin. He, like all humans, he is tempted. And he overcomes temptation. I think there's 3 tips that we can take, 3 examples where we can follow Jesus' lead in how to overcome temptation. First of all, he knows who he is. He's not unsure of himself or trying to grasp for some value or some worth. He knows of his dignity. Secondly, he knows who his Father is. He doesn't put God to the test because he knows who God is. He knows his Father will provide. And because he knows who he is and because who he knows God is, he has the strength to wait. Temptation often can feel overwhelming, and we have this sense of desperate urgency. I need to do this now. I just can't wait. Well, because Jesus knows who he is and who God is, he knows that he can wait, that his Father will provide, and the Father does provide, of course. And it says that angels minister to him at the end of his fasting. So why would Jesus go to a desert? Why would he go to be all by himself? If his mission is really to be with us, to be among us, well, because he really wanted to enter into our experience. See, God doesn't just want to celebrate when things are going well. He comes to enter into the deepest places of our hurt, our pain, our loneliness. He doesn't just come to celebrate with us on the mountaintops of life. He comes to be with us in the deserts of our experience, when it seems that we're all alone, when all seems silent, when all we know is suffering, even when danger lurks. We're never alone. As the letter to the Hebrews reminds us, we don't have a high priest who's unable to sympathize with us. We don't have a God who looks from a distance. We have a Savior who knows what we're going through because he's been there, who knows our pain, and is right with us in the midst of it.